Riri ministry ngũrani ikoretwo ikirutithania wĩra na ministry ya gĩthomo gutigirira gĩthomo ni gĩakinyĩrĩka ona thengia wa kĩng'ũki gĩa COVID-19 kaunti-ini ya Kitui. Arutwo Airitu makiria ma ngiri imwe ni mohete nda ona gũtuĩka ni macokereirie mathomo.
There are over about 1,000 girls in Kitui county who have been reported pregnant, but most of them have come back.
Mwandiki mukaru ministry-ini ya ugitiri wa bururi Ibrahim Mohamed uria uranyabaraga uria mihango ya mathomo irathi na mbere kaunti-ini ino oigite thirikari ni iratangĩkĩra arutwo acio niguo gutigirira ona thutha wao kuheo ciana ni macoka thukuru. Guku akiuga ni mararumanirira na aria mekirite airitu aya nda na uria kunyitikana ni gutacokirio ikinya ria kiwatho.
If there's any wrongdoing, any criminality, those people, the chiefs are tracing these people to be able to deal with these men who may have been responsible for those pregnancies.
Arutwo aria matacokete thukuru ni aria matunganite na mitino guku angi magithamirio thukuru-ini ingi nja wa kaunti ino.
A few other cases are due to illness. They have been probably not feeling well. Some others have been involved in accidents. So those ones are just waiting to recover to come back.
Handu-ini ha Kameme TV Getwo Waithira wa Kihara.